Hello, and welcome to a quick EdTech tip. Today, we're going to talk about pinning tabs in Chrome. So let's say you have a website that you use often, like our district website. You can actually right-click and then choose to pin that tab. Same for if we open up our email, and this is my Student One account, just to show you how this will look. So I can pin that. If I want to maybe pin even Illuminate, I can do that too. I can click pin. Let's say, oh no, I didn't want to pin that. Guess what? Right click and you can unpin. So these are some helpful tips. Now, anytime you open this particular browser, this Chrome browser, it's going to have those pinned websites. So let's take a look. Goodbye, Student One. And let's open up that account again. So it's going to think, and you can see those pinned websites over here. So if you notice on mine, I have my email, I have my calendar, and a document that I use often. So every time I access Chrome, I get to see those pinned tabs, and it's very easy for me to check my email, to check my calendar, and to just keep up with things in that manner. So I hope this quick tip has been helpful for you. Stay tuned for our next EdTech tip.